Happy New Year. This month's book is a modern classic, J.D. Salinger's The Catcher in the Rye. Released in 1951, the book's had a lot of controversy around it over the years, and that's exactly what makes it such an exciting read. The central character, 17-year-old Holden Caulfield, is just captivating. And as I read the book, I can't help but be fascinated to get inside the head of this strange, rebellious young man. Throughout the novel, Holden talks directly to you, the reader, as he recounts the story of a 3-day period just last December. And although he narrates his own tale, you can't help but realize as you read that Holden is insolent, lazy, and at a complete loss about his own future. With central themes of rebellion, identity, and independence, Salinger's novel has long resonated with young people everywhere, but it's an inspiring read for all of us as it reminds us to remain hopeful and true to ourselves. If you'd like to read the book, come by the American Space. We have several copies available.